They, after Dionne Brand, for Thad. Fragments of Ferguson and Katrina, where the so-called post-racial and the photographic image collide, where history matters and repeats itself. Bumpers and Bland, Evans and Donaldson, Yatin and Diallo, Griffin and Martin, and, where theory and praxis should be twins but aren't, where revolutions still matter, even when they dissipate and disappoint. When rain teems and lightning terrifies, when you've almost forgotten your own name. Then and now, then Freire taught us about being in, of, and on the ground. Now Thad says scholarship's prancing and preening to a different drum, and she doesn't like it one bit. The sound it makes, not one hand clapping, but no hands clapping. When song carried story and love and dance, now the shimmer of love is all that remains. And who was it that said, you can't buy me love? And who meant it then, and who means it now? And talk of the last sweet days of summer, of time, of love and loss, of keeping on, because we must, because love is enough.